All right, what's going on, man? Welcome back. We are back with another unboxing today, huh? So this one's for my good buddy Floyd Vick down in North Kakalaki. Looking out for a brother. Um, you know. So here we go. All right, so here we are. Do a quick unboxing. See what my man sent me up here from North Carolina. Floyd Vick. You know him, the Floyd Vick chassis. You know, we got one that's on deck to start being built. And he sent me this up here. I had to have this. So let's open this up, man. See what we got in this box. Shout out to you, Floyd, for looking out for me, which you always do, man. I love talking to you every day. You know, shooting the breeze, you know, chopping it up. Appreciate it. Man, packaged this box, didn't he? What we got in here, man? Box. Some packaging. Protect that beast. Yep. You see, we got the Zenoa 290. Yeah, that's what we working with. What was this? Carburetor 1107. We got a clutch here. Looks like a 10,000 spring on there. Oh, clutch plate. Uh-oh. Drill start. Some other parts in here. What is that? Oh, some hardware. Hardware in the bag. And we got this baby here. Haha, y'all thought it was a y'all thought it was a 29, didn't you? 34 drag edition. Yeah, boy, Bartolone. So let's move all this stuff out of the way. All right, so here we are, man. We all set up, baby. We got everything here. Now I'm gonna tell you, you know, y'all see me high race, man. I never used a drill start, right? I just never did it. You know what I mean? I have them. You know what I mean? Like I got drill starts, but I just never used them. You know what I mean? Like just never really felt the need to actually try one of them joints. But your boy Floyd Vick, man, hooked me up, sent me out drill start. He said I gotta look professional when I'm racing out there this year. So we got the drill start. We got over here. Got in the box also. What is this? Oh, that's a plug. Yeah, nice little plug. Like put on there. Comes with the engine. As you can see, this engine, man, Bartolone, baby. All right, Bartolone power. 34 reed case. All right, BR. That's it right there. That's what it's about. That's exactly what it's about right there. Got my good drill start on there. Got that thing painted black. Man, appreciate it, Floyd. Yo, that looks sick. So we're gonna definitely see it. You guys know this is going on, right? This is going on that Floyd Vick chassis, that Floyd Vick small block rail. Couldn't have it no other way, man. Bartolone and Floyd Vick, you know what I mean? They're like peanut butter and jelly, cookie dough and ice cream, you know what I mean? Them boys are nice together. Now, if you guys don't know, Floyd Vick sells these joints, man. He sells Bartolone engines for him. So I know how hard it is sometimes to hook up with Bartolone. So, you know, hit up Floyd, man. He can get you right. 34. May have other sizes too. I'm not sure. Hit him up. See what he got. We got 1107 carburetor, straight from Bartolone. All right. We got a stock clutch, which will not be going on here. but it's got a 10,000 spring. So we may use the spring, but I definitely going to run with the FS. But got my clutch here. We got the stock clutch plate, which we will be running a cooling clutch plate that goes with this sexy clutch housing that lets all that air in there and all that hot air out. That's what it's about. Then we got all your gaskets and you know, bolts for the carburetor and the stock 29cc pull start. But man, it's something about a Bartolone engine, man. These Bartolone engines, beautiful. I mean, just beautiful. Man, this is a beautiful engine. Let's see. Yeah. I cannot wait to get this on that rail. So, man, y'all stay tuned. This is going to be going on that rail very soon. Very soon. Bishop is on his way over. One of these days this week, and we are going to start wrenching on the rail, that Floyd Vick rail. And you know, I just can't wait. I can't wait to get this started. I'm telling y'all, y'all want this stuff, man. I'm telling you, this is a Bartolone engine. If y'all want a Bartolone engine and you can't catch up with Chris, there's only one other way you can get them. Well, two ways. You can buy them used, or you can holler at your boy Floyd Vick. Get y'all in there. Drag modded and everything. So holler at Floyd Vick, man. Get yourself an engine, or get yourself that chassis, yo. That's even better off. Get yourself that chassis. Get that Floyd Vick chassis, man. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna show you all that chassis one more time before we get off. And there it is, boy. Yo, this jump is a monster. I cannot wait to get this thing in here, Joe. Look at this thing. Man, I gotta let y'all get close up on that. Look at that. 6mm thick carbon. Woo wee. Yo, blacked out wheels. Look at that joint. Murdered out look. Cause I'm gonna be out there murdering them on the track, man. Look at that jump. Let you see that chain drive that make you think about Floyd Vick, boy. Floyd Vick chassis. Something to be reckoned with right here. And that Bartolone engine looks so perfect up in there. Damn. Bishop, where you at, bro? We gotta hurry up and get these things rocking. I gotta get this together. We gotta get popping, bro. So come on, man, head on over here so we can get this thing going. All right, I'm gonna try and hold tight on wrenching on this jump. I'm gonna try. We'll see. All right, I'll catch y'all later. All right, out.